What's up? It's your boy. We back in this biatch. Oh yeah, parental advisory is needed, niggas. Over here. So where we at? Alright, so this right here is my connection to my O2 sensor that should be down there in my exhaust, right? So I did get the correct one. You might have seen some shit hanging under the car because the O2 sensor plugged in but not plugged in type shit. So technically this one here should be the correct one. Alright. And that should go together like that. Oh shit. I don't want to cooperate. It don't want to be seen. Okay, that bit cut off. Right when I was getting it in the hole. Alright, so boom, there we go. O2 sensor down the hatch. Bum buddy bum bum. We gonna get them in the hole. Hopefully that shit is long enough. That shit do look kind of shallow. But we're gonna find out here in just a second. Cause we've been not procrastinating, we've been having other things going on. But yeah, we need to go on and put the O2 sensors in here so we can tune the thing and moving forward. Also, I was talking to my partner about getting some AC motherfucking hoses made. Come to find out, I might have been sitting on the solution the whole goddamn time. So here come that too. So, like I said, dog, 2024, we back on business, making progress with the Lord's, you know what I'm saying, and making it do what it do. So, we gonna get them installed and go from there. If you need a part number, here go the part number. Part number 13444. 13444. What's my? But yeah, other than that, it's not really much at this moment. I should say not much at this moment. But yeah, let me get down there and see what it looked like. So we got the O2 sensors installed. We done already went through the phase of getting the idle, or we went ahead and installed it, turned the O2 sensors on, did a little log, made a couple changes already. So going forward, I'm saying we can go ahead and get it done. I ain't gonna drag y'all through that again. If you don't watch the other videos, then you already know how it goes. But it's, like I said, this is more like a status update that we've been MIA. You know what I'm saying? We've been off the radar. Trying to let y'all know we back working. You know what I'm saying? We back working. So yeah, that's where we at. Stay tuned. Alright, what's up, y'all? We back for another motherfucking video. We are looking at it'll drive me crazy trying to edit, especially with that shit in the background. But anyway, wanted to make this quick video just about the plan that we have. So, obviously, there is the question of the AC lines, which we already have our compressor. Compressor is good. It's on there. It's good to go. From here, we need to have added I don't know if you can really kind of see it back there. But either way, we're gonna have to have a couple of things coming off of here. So there'll be the suction side, the discharge side. And we'll get those going. But like I said, the question of how the AC hose is gonna be made, routed, etc., etc. So in its stock form, I should say. Where did the damn thing go? I know I had it over here in the box, ready, waiting on this moment to be installed, but I don't know where it's at now. But anyway, the dryer is going to mount to this here, so that part we don't have to worry about. So we pretty much just have to have from the dryer itself. And then there's this line here, which I'm pretty sure goes all the way back to the, I don't know, is this that hose? Is this that liquid line hose? And that was just some of the things I'm trying to figure out exactly what's needed, and go from there. So I'm pretty sure, see, one is smaller there, that's a large one. I believe that's going to be the one that comes off and goes to the whatchamacallit. When I like looking here, let me see. If you look there, then I believe that that's boys and girls is how that's supposed to go. So, of course, with an O-ring or whatever to seal it up. But yeah, that goes in there like that. I'm saying, boom, connect that there. And then from there, of course, that goes to one side, more than likely that bottom side of the AC. So the high side, let me get my life together. Alright, so this is this line right here, and that's gonna go right there, and then this other one is gonna come off of here and gonna need to go to whichever high or low side or whichever it need to be for there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, I just wanted to get some good pictures of everything here. I think that's taking a picture of it. And seeing exactly what this goes to, like that. All right, yeah. So I guess this the liquid line, boom, comes off of there. That goes to that one, and then we'll have to have the other side of that hose go to, what is it called? And that's the thing, like I used to have it. Oh, look at them sixes, bro. We gonna get back to this one too, man. But yeah. them sixes. I'm pretty sure I had like an extra AC hose, but ain't no telling where it's at. I have to try to find it. Or I even got another idea. That's why the beauty of having two boxes is a beautiful thing. So even though this one is an 84, I used the AC hose off of 89 on it. And so that everything could line up the way it's supposed to be. So, oh shit. Oops. So yeah, so this is actually a better representation. You got your liquid line coming right there. You got your pressure joint on there. You got your, I'm guessing that's the high side or the low side that fits on there, and boom. Yeah, and this is your high side. The liquid line goes back to there. This other side that has, I guess, the high side fuel port, and it goes to the compressor. So that's gonna give me my diagram that I need right there. Say less. Haha. Money, bitches. Money. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. I'm the man with the plan. Dan the man with the plan. But yeah, so that hot, as you can see, the high side port is on that side. So the high side, the low pressure side is coming off. Where is it going to? So the low pressure side, and then this larger one goes to the large port coming off of the condenser. Well, not the condenser. Oh, actually, that's coming off the bottom of this one. But on that one, I believe it's 2. Actually, let me snap a couple pictures while we here. So yeah, so from there. Zoom all the way out the whole picture so we can trace the lines visually. Alright, so let me go look back inside. So it looks like it's 2. It's 2 that come up off of there. So this goes to the line, that go to that, and then there's another hose or another connector that's gonna come off of there to the high side, low side, whatever it's gonna be. So basically we need a hose from here to the condenser, or here to the dryer. That's one hose. and that's high side or low side, whichever one it is, we'll figure it out. And then you need the other one is gonna come off of here and run to the other side of the compressor. So, yeah.